Welcome to KM Reddy Maths YouTube channel. Dear children, today I will explain you theorem number 8.6 of similar triangles in class 10. The theorem says that the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Many students feel that similar triangles are very difficult, but it is not. Look here, ma. Look here and carefully. What is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here, this is the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. RTP. RTP stands for required to prove. Required to be proved. What should we prove? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. This is our RTP. This means, the RHS means the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So here AB is corresponding to PQ and BC is corresponding to QR and AC is corresponding to PR. Then their squares is equal. Here, next construction. We need construction to prove construction. Draw here, this is the ABC triangle, this is the PQR triangle. Draw AM perpendicular to BC. This is AM perpendicular to BC. Similarly, draw PN is perpendicular to QR. That is the construction. Right here, draw AM is perpendicular to BC and AN is perpendicular to, it is not AN, PN. PN is perpendicular to, PN is perpendicular to QR. Next, prove. How to prove? This is the proof. How to prove? Take the LHS AR, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to PQR is equal to, do you know my area of the triangle? Any triangle? Yes, that is half ABC. That means here the area of this triangle ABC is equal half into BC. This is the base is BC. BC base into height. What is height? AM. So BC into half into BC into AM by area of triangle PQR. What is base here? QR. What is the height here? PN. So here half into QR into height PN. So half cancel. So the remaining is BC by QR into AM into PN. This is statement number 1. And next, in these two triangles are similar. ABC is similar to PQ. That is given that. Here angle B, so angle B is equal to angle Q. In triangle ABC, ABM, in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, angle B equal to angle Q, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle M is equal to, I will write here only, angle M is equal to angle N. Why? They are 90 degrees. From this and this, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQR. So triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. So what? In these two similar triangles, what is corresponding sides? AM is to PN, BM is to QN, and AM is to PQ. So we can take as AM by PN, AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. This is, you can take as second point. And next, ABC and PQ are similar triangles. Then the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That means AB in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Why? They are similar triangles. So here in statement number 1, BC by QR. Here, look here, BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. So take BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. Here, what is there? Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is here ma? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BC by QR. Here BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. So instead of this BC by QR, we can write as AB by PQ into, what is here? AM by PN. Instead of AM by PN, we got here, you see the second point, AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. So here AM by PN, instead of AM by PN, we can write AB by PQ according to second statement. So here AB by, instead of this I am writing like this, AB by PQ. So AB by PQ into AB by PQ, that is equal to AB by PQ whole square. Got it ma? So area of ABC, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square. Similarly, from 1 to 3 we got area of area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to, from these 2 points, if you compare to all these 3 points, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR, AC by PR whole square. So hence proved. So what is RTP? You see, RTP, what is RTP? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by QR PR whole square. So we got this, hence proved. Hence proved. This is the theorem. In the next class, we solve some more problems on this theorem. Thank you, children.